Good morning, bon dia. It is a beautiful morning here on Terceira Island. I have this lovely view from my in-laws' house. And I want to start this video by saying there was a poll that we had started on the channel because I wanted to have like a cute little nickname for my subscribers, and it was going to be either New Life or New Lifers or Farm Fam, and Farm Fam won, so that is what we're going to be referring to you guys as, is Farm Fam, which is kind of cute because we do have a really big family out here doing the farm, and you guys have been so good to me. Everybody who comments in the comments are super kind, and it really makes me feel more like at home when I have these warm welcomes and, you know, people staying involved with the channel. I always tell everyone that it's not the quality, it's not the quantity, if you will, of subscribers. It is the quality of my subscribers that makes me happy. So I just want to thank you guys for watching the channel and subscribing and all of your wonderful comments. And stay tuned. We will be doing some potato work today. You guys, this morning we came and we unbagged this roll right here, and sadly there is fungus in it. It looks like some moisture got into it, and like half of the roll is destroyed, which is really unfortunate, but this is one of those things that happen when you're farming. So right now they're just separating the good bits from the bad bits. Good morning, piggies. Did you have a good night last night in your new shelter? Is it cozy? Yep, it is, huh? So you guys haven't seen the cows in a couple of videos, so we are up here getting the hay ready, rotating it. The wind isn't very aggressive today, which is good. Look how glorious this day is. Time to eat. And this little piggy went wee 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 all the way home. There you go. They're so cute. They love that mud. That's cold water, huh, little piggy? Look at Bacon, still grubbing. He has a little catching up to do because I think he's one of the smaller ones.
I don't got anything in the bucket.
If you do get close and the potato moves, then all you have to do is pull the dirt against it and then step on it close to the potato underneath
the plant.
Yeah, right here, and you put some weight on it. That way it'll stay in. Okay, on top of the furrow, and we want to bring the dirt into the potato. So what we want to do, we want to start. It doesn't have to be very deep, but we need to get the weeds. See, we need to get the weeds, and at the same time, like this one over here, you want to get this out. With a glove, you can pull that out. Without the gloves, you can't. Okay? So basically, you just do this, and you pull the dirt against it, like that. See?
Okay.
That's basically all it is.
Okay.
Now, when you guys still do it that way, but it's better to go with the flow, sort of speaking.
Like going down the road?
Yeah. You want to get these for two reasons. One is you want to clean them up, but you don't want them to mature, because then the seeds come up and more of them will show up. Okay.
Okay. How do you know if you're going too deep? There's no potatoes under there at all, right?
You don't go underneath the plant.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Don't go. You get close to the plant, but don't go underneath it.
Okay. Okay. You guys, this farming business continues to push my limits. This is some hard work. I did like 3 wide almost, 2.5 wide on the row, and I'm already beat. But my brother-in-law is kicking some serious butt. He's like a professional farmer, I swear. It's in my genes. Stop. And babe, Shawn is getting down right here with the weeds. He's been handling the weeds on the side of the brick wall as well too. But maybe after lunch we'll time lapse it. Oh yeah, also kudos to my father-in-law all the way over there who was out here for the first portion of the day all by himself. Let me try to take my glove off here and like zoom him in. And this man is a very hardworking man right here. We finished all that side, And then the halfway point, or actually over the halfway point over here, my brother-in-law finished those 2 or 3 back rows, and then Brennan did over here. So we'll only have that little dry patch right there that you see left to do, at least on this side, and then there's the whole other side over there. But it's a good workout, you guys. It's a good workout. Alrighty, you guys, we are here at the banana trees. Today is actually day 2 of the video. The babies that we transplanted in one of our previous videos are doing really well. You can see them here. Today we will be cutting down some of the banana bunches and taking them to Fruter and hopefully get a little bit of money for them. Spiderweb. Oh, spiderweb! Some of the banana bundles are too heavy for me to pick up, so I'm in charge of hacking.
Yeah, we need to take a good close look at this over here. I think this one's just not quite ready yet. Maybe it's got a couple that are, but there's still a couple that.
That one might be able to go.
Yeah, this one's like on the border, I think. I think this one's getting close.
This one can wait another week or 2.
But then
Okay.
we're gonna have to.
Okay.
I don't know about 2, but I don't think it's.
Yeah, because the weight is going towards that
going this
anyway.
way.
Yeah.
That's why we had it over here.
Yeah, it looks like it's pulling that
This
way.
one just needs a
Now
couple
it's
more.
starting to lean towards Dad.
This one just needs.
Whatever you just did.
It's all right. It's okay. It's okay.
There you go. There you
It's all
go.
right.
There
It's
you
all
go.
right. That's
We
going
wanna
to be
keep a
fine
gap
like
here.
that. It'll be fine.
So you guys, I've seen some people eat these. If you guys know how to cook them, will you please comment down below? Give us some advice. I'm sure I could look it up online, but it's always good to get your guys' feedback.
Ready to go anyway. I would go ahead and cut that one. Yeah. Yeah. We can take that one. Yeah, these bananas.
Want me to take it over there?
It's not that. This one's light, babe. Take this one.
Okay.
One small one.
Because look, see, this is what's throwing me off. Look how small those bananas are.
Yeah.
And skinny around they are.
Yeah.
And they're already yellow.
Yeah.
All right, so we have the truck loaded up and
Okay.
we're wrapping some cloth around the bananas to protect them so that we don't have any casualties on the way to Fruterra. Right? Is that what it's called? Fruter. All right, we are at Fruter and we're going to be unloading the bananas, and then the guys come and they clip them onto the thing right here. And I'm sure that probably weighs them or something like that. Oh, they wash them. That's cool. So I'm going to be limited to what I can show you. We did ask for permission to record in here, but it has to go through the board. So I can record on the outside as much as I can. But I can kind of describe it. There's like a whole assembly line in there. They basically chain the bundles of bananas up right here, and then they wash them. They cut them and then send them through a wash bath. And then they like weigh them, and then they determine how much we'll get for each bundle, basically, or each kilo. So this is the front of the Fruter building. KFC, you guys! Yum! we were doing the bananas, the guys were over here finishing up that little dry patch from yesterday. So now we are going to be coming over here and doing this portion today. All of that needs to be done, and we did all of this, most of this yesterday, and then that little patch right there today. Victory! We are done, you guys. Dad's over there just doing the wall. Brendan's stretching out his little back.
Move it out.
Looking like a true lumberjack right now. And Shawn is actually finishing up that last row right there. But we are so excited to have all of this done. It was hard work, you guys. We were able to finish this whole spot right here, and pretty much just after lunchtime, huh?
Yeah, we got back at like what, 1 o'clock?
Yeah, 1 o'clock, and it's 3:30.
4 o'clock about.
It's about 4 o'clock. But good hustle, you guys. Good hustle. Wow, you guys. Farming is a lot of hard work. I appreciate it though, because we are out here, you know, growing and raising food for our families and other families as well too. So it's definitely work that pays off, and definitely fulfilling work is what I'm trying to say here. But that concludes the video for today. It was a 2-part video combined into one, 2 days worth of farming there. So I really hope you like it. Bye for now, farm fam. See you next week.